Ever since birth, I've always known I've been strange. Now, recently, I've realised it's not strange. It's just me. And I can see, looking in the mirror, ooh, it's giving me a shiver. That, whatever you think, I don't have to blink. Because I am the man. The one in there. That was the best version of himself today. And you know what? I always say, tomorrow, Colin, you can be better. No matter the weather, I know my worth. And I know why I'm here on earth. I'm the man that's part of God's plan. And that is all I need to know. And otherwise, I just look in the mirror and reflect at my reflection. Have I given enough affection? Have I been the best version of myself? Well, fuck it. Tomorrow's a new start, so let me start again.